is doing to you. Go pitch your what? Oh, why do they blood clot? Oh, oh, they're not me no fine. Oh, this is a doing God. I'm a cat, America. I'm there to talk to that and I listen to me. And of course, and I eat my right up. I'm supposed to be desperate for my husband. So warm to that. My husband, make every ear stand up in my head. Something wrong with that? My husband. Whoo, 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 whoo. Morning, Mr. Scarlett. Do stop hiding. Leave me and my husband. Do you do it, Bram? Do it. Morning. What me tell you say yesterday, do it. Don't rap with me, you know? Do it. Oh, God. Who's that girl? Hi. Queenie Brevk. To God be the glory. Great things he has done and give us the victory again and again. Praise the Lord for Queen and Dewey. Praise the Lord for Queen and Dewey. Oh, come to the Father, to Jesus with Queen Lady Gangster and her husband Dewey. Dewey! Mr. Dewey, I just a chat to you now. And I said, Dewey, that's I just make up him face. Him not eat none of the egg. Him not eat the sausage. Him not eat the tomato. All you have out of that would have been the bacon crispy. And that's what I said. Do I miss you though, do it? I miss my husband. I miss my Dewey through. I miss my Dewey. Come back to me. Hurry up and come back. Friday, hey. I don't when you have arthritis. I soon get one of them I love. No, I don't want none. Yeah. You saw my knee stiff like a jackass car, look. Hey, we're there now. As me said that, I just remember. What do we? Do you remember say you owe me for Bible when I do it? Yeah. Do you remember you owe me a Jeep, you know? Yeah. Yeah, me hear now say. Yo, fam! Me hear now say. No mind how no one chat me say. Go cause if I put on two cockroach eyelash now, I put on some makeup. When I depend Queenie goody, Queenie the see Queenie like another same nose, the same out, the same ear, the same voice the Queen. It don't make no difference to me, just with the birds of pain and the cockroach eyelash. Yeah, me hear now say. Oh, this is my go on. Oi! Hey! How long you know see me now? Around 20 years, not so long. You still have the driving instructions. So pay me for promote your thing there. You know, some turn big superstar. I'm a big rascal promoter. I'm a big artist. If you want your business to promote, I will promote it. And I say, come and get the car rental. And I see that it's kids on car rental. And a rental. Driving school. All right, all right, brother. Yeah. And me look at me a blood clot. Me not talk. Say, yeah. I want me up on wheelchair. Now you like cuss me so regular. So that I'm old. And it's an offense to you lot because I'm old. But when me in the wheelchair, me I waste people in the wheelchair. Nothing wrong with me. But I'm young now. So me can't go in a wheelchair. Make up on a mind, no man. Make up your mind, girl. Make up your mind. You want a wine, girl. You want a really. make up your mind, girl. Make up your mind. When you cuss me, say my hold. So how? Oh no, why see me in the wheelchair when me I go. Oh, oh, oh. So where are you? It's okay to be old. No one is getting younger. You ever know I'm glad I'm 54. I'm not a whore. I'm always a score. More and more. Yeah. Love self first. Love self first. You alright? What is your problem? Let me get a attention. You want it here? Who's that girl, Queenie? DSTTUIPOPP? No, let me address this person. Your verse. Why she fights? Am I scared or not? It's not Bluetooth. Ready or not, cross? Oh, let me show you the foreign shop. Look how them are big. Hey, you can't get lime at Jamaica, you know. Lime's case at Jamaica. $1,000 for one dozen lime at Jamaica. Lime's case. You alright, mate? Look, this is a coal. When you want to cook here, you do your little barbecue. Yeah, anything to do that, yes. This is foreign shop. Yeah. I don't have none of them cherry. Aha, aha, aha. One go viral, I'm always viral, jackass, my queen. I'm always viral, darling. I don't want to go viral. I'm always and I'm already viral. You fucking jackass. The queen rain. Excuse me. Watch them cabbage are all them big. You can't get them a big something at Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man. A beer something in there. What them name? My advertise anything I want advertise, girl. Yeah. But I can't blood clot get me for advertise and listen to pay me. Anything when I want advertise, I advertise. I'm sure to my royal crazy them will appreciate it. A lot of people never come to the UK. So there's things and scenery that the Queen will show them that they'll never see because they're not here. Leave me the fuck alone and don't dictate to the fucking Queen. Look at the big red bus. Like red like my ear. Ah, look. When I stop act like that, when you program me. That's what make the Queen, my dear. That's why you watching me. You don't know me to be. Say you am to be. You don't know me like that. You know me crazy. Never like the rain. What is the Queen? The Queen is never let me. Oh, that's how I know me. My energy that. We can't change, so please, yeah. With me by when I got change. Oh, I'm a clothes alone, my change. I'm a hairstyle. Ooh. I'm already gone. Ready? Yo! Are you that? The sun flat up at your fuck. Yeah. You want to see England? Look. My queen, I love it. Hi, Veronica. Thanks for loving me, baby. see the big red bus there again. You know, red have the big red, what dog name again? The big red dog. She's she's at 80 son, bumbo blood clot. The son, what's nice son, come on, bumbo clot. Oh God, my love. She's yesterday cold in our rain, I fall it up. I'ma put the glue, I'ma put the glue, I gotta. Say the man that left the feel like that. And that you want turn that. Son, get good energy, you know. Yeah, man. What are you trying me about, over? Blood clots, needle. Bamba pussy blood clot, what? What do you say about doing? Do it on his Instagram. He done what? To his Instagram. Hide it now. How? Okay. He's sick and tired of you lot criticizing him and discriminating him over and over again. And saying all the time the thorn is on in the UK, my dear. What? What's going on over here, Captain Smiley? Smile, Captain Smiley. And give your face a rest, Captain Smiley. Cut in, Pete. You're calling out my name. Johnny Sesfield. You didn't put the Scarlet. Remember that I am Mr. Scarlet. Wow, no. Richard Mena wash no fires with more.